Okay, it's a quick rundown. There's two tabs, one right here, one right here. And then you just pull it up, pull your filter out. Okay, on these, there's a 14mm bolt on the bottom of the pan. Which I already did all of it, I just forgot to record it. Right there. And then the filter is right there, inside that black canister. Usually I have good luck with vice grips, or not vice grips, channel locks. Those bad boys usually do the trick. I've got a couple of those. I use a wrench with an old belt. There's a number of different ways you can get that off. Alright, and then cabin air filter. Cabin air filter was quick, easy. You just pop this down, just take something, pry a little bit right there, pry a little bit right there, just push in, and the whole thing will fall down, and then there's a little door right there. That was just a quick rundown. If you have any questions, please comment.